I'm in courtship. You feel me? I feel like there's a bit difference. Courtship is like, you know, a lot. Barbara Wimby, I love you. With who? With the Lord and Savior, my Jesus Christ, the one that ushered me to success. Hey, Jareed, hey, blessed. Oh, man, I love to see you. What's courtship? Courtship's like when you're getting to know a hun from like from afar, but like advocating for like good like, you know, environments. You guys are knowing each other within the ruins of like God, and, you know, certain things are taken away. Certain amenities are not supposed to be there. Sometimes they're, not gonna lie. But courtship is like when you're actually getting to know someone for the purpose of marrying them. You feel me? There's a big difference. Kharabi, that was good. How did your family react when you came out the house? Came out of the closet? What you mean, man? I'm still in the closet. I'm still in the closet, brother. Nah, like, I feel like everybody was supportive of, like, you know, the courtship I'm in. So never nervous or anything like that. Anything, like, I got the leeway to, like, pursue that. It was hard at first, but I had to step up and be the man, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's hard courtshipping with someone that, you know, you cause great pain to. How long?